we're going to start it off with our facing toolpath and some of the enhancements in there. So we have our facing path here already. I'm just going to use a one-way style. And what's new is this roll-in option. We're going to look at our tool. We have a 2-inch face mill. The cut parameters, I'm going to give it a radius roll-in of 1 inch, half the diameter of the tool. So I'm going to go ahead and show the toolpath, and as we look, we can see we have this radius coming in. And that's going to allow the tool to not just go straight in and have abrupt engagement as soon as it starts hitting material. So it's going to roll into the material. So this is requested by some of the manufacturers to be able to roll it in and have faster feed and not have that sudden engagement. So hopefully we get more tool life out of the inserts and maybe even a little faster cycle time.